Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you easy green chicken recipe, but before we start the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So firstly, we're going to take 1200 grams of chicken, 3 medium-sized onions. For spices, we're going to need 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half cup oil, 1 cup curd, 1 lemon, 5 green chilies, half cup coriander, 2 cardamom, 2 clove, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon shah zeera, and 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. So first off, we're going to take our pressure cooker and add our oil in it. Now we're going to wait for our oil to get heated. Now once our oil is heated, we're going to add our onions. Now once you add your onions, you're going to mix it for a few minutes. Now once our onions have turned pink, now we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste. Once you add your ginger and garlic paste, you're going to mix it again. Once your ginger and garlic paste have been mixed nicely, now we're going to add our chicken. Now after you add your chicken, you're going to mix your chicken. And once you've mixed your chicken, now we're going to add our cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, and shah zeera. Now we're going to add our spices and green chilies. After adding your spices and chilies, mix it all up. After mixing it all up, it should look like this. Now we're going to add our coriander and again mix it all up. Now once you've mixed it all up, now we're going to add half glass of water and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now we're going to cover the cooker. We are going to open the cooker after 3 whistles. Now after opening the cooker, as you can see, the chicken is cooked. Now we're going to shift it in a big pan. Now after 2 minutes, now you're going to add your curd. Now once you add your curd, now you're going to mix it again and let it cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, as you can see, the water is dried up. Now our chicken is ready. Thanks for watching. Before you leave this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I post a new video.